What are the root causes of chronic inflammation and what could it potentially do to your body? So chronic inflammation, if it's not treated, it could lead to chronic diseases like cardiovascular diseases, heart problems, brain problems, Alzheimer's, thyroid problems, and so on and so forth. And what are the root causes of chronic inflammation? Diet, stress, gut issues, infection. And if you can fix them systemically, you can actually bring the inflammation down and increase the health of the body. First is the diet. Standard American diet or SAD diet, unfortunately, is very high in refined sugar, very high in processed food. There is a lot of high fructose corn syrup, a lot of vegetable oils. These are very high omega-6s. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential fatty acids. They're important in the body. However, you need a balance between omega-3s and omega-6s. And if you're consuming so much of this vegetable oils and that are mostly rancid, besides having very high omega-6s, then your body is going to be in the chronic inflammation state. So first, we have to clean the diet. We have a whole food diet and less processed food, less processed sugar, less additives, less preservatives, food color, food additives. All of those are detrimental to the gut microbiome. So let's clean the diet first. Let's reduce our stress with meditation, walking outdoors every day, hiking, sunbathing, being out there with friends and family and having fun, smiling, laughing, and to reduce the stress. And we could do support with omega-3 supplements. Turmeric is a very strong anti-inflammatory herb that you could add and incorporate in your daily diet, and clean out your gut with a good diet with less stress life.